Okay, so probability is the favorable outcome over the total possible number of outcomes. Okay, so the favorable outcome is it lands in the triangle, and the area of the triangle is 1/2. Okay, so I could say it's really you're saying the area of the triangle over the entire area of the rectangle. Yeah? So what's the area of a triangle? It's 1/2 base times height. What is the base? The base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. What is the height? The height is 1, 2, 3. So if you said area of a triangle, 1/2 the base of 6 times the height of 3 over the entire area of the rectangle, which is just the base times height, and the base is, let's see, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units by 2, 4, 6, 7. 10 by 7. And what you get when you multiply 1/2 of 6 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So you get 9 over 10 times 7 is 70. 9 over 70. And that is answer B.